Howdy everyone, this is Grant with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so what I'm doing is I'm here at the Gabriella in Dallas, Texas. It's the Gabriella Apartments in Dallas, Texas. And on the very first floor of the Gabriella, you've got a Tom Thumb. First floor. How convenient is that? So your residence is over there, and then you walk over here, it's right in the building, and you got Tom Thumb with a pharmacy, you know, with everything in there. So I just wanted to show that off to you. This is it. This is really cool. That will go to the the general parking garage that's there. And then you've got the Tom Thumb that's right here. I mean, we walk in, how cool is that? You've got a Tom Thumb, that's a higher end, kind of medium to high end grocery store here in the Dallas area. It's really cool. So you're gonna have all of this as a part of being at the Gabriella. Really easy access. Grab some flowers for someone you love anytime. There's toothpaste, dental floss, there's a pharmacy, and of course there's all the groceries, frozen goods, vitamins, meat, all the stuff that you'd want. It's all here. So super cool, super cool to have this. It's really one of the, I'd say 3 or 4 buildings in all of Dallas that has this right in the building. So pretty special to see this at the Gabriella. Hey, if you have any questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and I'll set up a virtual tour or a live tour of the Gabriella, or also of any of the best apartments in the Dallas, Texas area. Now, let's go inside the lobby of the Gabriella.